My crafty friends, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. This is Sheree, and today I'm making progress on this little Christmas journal that we've been working on. Made from a photo album. Originally it was a photo album. So as you can see, the change from day to day when we've been working on this, I've got all the bells on here so you can hear the little jingle now. This is the strings from the middle of the signatures. I made them extra long so they would hang out here at the top and almost act like a little tassel, and they have bells on them. And then I have paper clipped in. These are all my paper clips. I have clipped in a bunch of things. Here's the side view. I've clipped things in on the side too. So let's see. Really, I'm not going to show you anything on the inside today, except that we'll do a flip through another day. But you can kind of get a little sneak peek there. So what I wanted to do today is make a tassel, and then all I have to do is, I think, unless I think of something else I need to do, is get a goodie bag, a goodie packet or bundle together to go along with this. So here's the colors I've picked out. You can see there's lots of colors here. And what I want to concentrate on first is the length, because this is not a standard size journal, you know, it's a small kind of mini journal. So I'm going to take this, and like it's going to be hanging from an eyelet right here, and it's going to be hanging on my standard little bulb pin and notebook ring. So let's just see here real quick. Maybe we can measure like this. It'll be kind of like this. Okay, so hang down. And I don't want to overpower this, but I want it to be long enough. I don't want it to look like stubby, like short and stubby or something. So it might be a little longer than the journal. I think if I make it about like, let's see, something like this, it will be good. It's a little longer than the journal, but I think that's okay. All right, so I'm going to clip this. Let's see what I do with my scissors. Nope. Oh, here they are. They're put away. What do you know? I thought I left them on my desk here. They're right beside me in my little jar. Okay, so about like that. Okay, so let's smooth this out of the way, get started, and we'll put this on here before the video is over so we can see how it looks. Okay, so this is ending up, most of my tassels, I make the strands, ribbons, whatever, I'm using yarn 14 inches long. I think I forgot to say that in the last video, and someone asked me. And yeah, 14 inches. But this one is going to be only, and it's probably longer than you think it would be, but it's about 11 inches. So about 11 inches on this one. So let's see how this one goes. So yeah, I pulled out the colors and things, ribbons and things I wanted to use. Let's see. I pulled out this one because I haven't used it very much, and I thought it would be pretty with this journal. It's kind of a burgundy with gold in it ribbon. This is a gold one, burgundy, and this was burgundy with gold. You could almost say it's purple, but I'm going to go with burgundy or maroon. Maybe it's more of a maroon because it's a little darker. It's purplish maroon. So, but I think it's going to be pretty. Okay, so we got two of those. Let me get one more. Let me get one more of those. I don't know if I think I'm going to put one more gold too. One more of this kind of solid gold one. So let's do that. I certainly have more than probably more than I need here, but I kind of, this cover, you know, has a lot of colors in it. So I kind of was looking at that and letting that be my guide. And kind of green. Well, blue is a major color on the cover. And green. So this is green with gold stars on it, which is nice because it adds that little sparkle of the gold stars. Let's do two of those, and then we'll do more if we need it. We'll do another one of these if we need it, but I want to kind of get all the others in here before I overload this too much. So I'm going to put that to the side where I can grab it if I wanted again. So I wanted to make sure I put some blue in here because of the, major amount of blue on the cover. So this is blue yarn with little chunks on it. Like, let me show you. So it's blue. It has a silver thread running through it. So in different shades of blue, and the little chunks, chunks of yarn or whatever, like that once in a while. So let's do, since this is so thin, let's do at least 3 of these so it can maybe possibly be seen. I just like to, use the different textures and things like that. I think it makes a tassel interesting and pretty. Okay, so there's 3 of those. I think we might be done with that. And then I have 2 more greens. So let's do this one because I never use this one. And it's a darker kind of, what you might call that, a forest green. See, it's a really nice, almost has a bluish tint to it, like it has some blue in it. So, yeah, quite different than the other green there. So, well, must have curled up on me. I wanted to use this one, though, because I never use it. And I thought, well, this is a perfect chance to use something I don't use very much. So, and all of this, a lot of this ribbon I've picked up at thrift stores, but like the one gold here, those I think I got a couple of the golds at Temu, and then I think I got some from, I got a whole set from globalland.com. I demonstrate for them, and I think one time I picked up a set of different colors of this ribbon with the sparkly, glittery kind of coloring on it, which is nice for tassels or whatever, tags, whatever. I use it on everything. use that on everything. So we have 2 of each of the greens, and I'm putting this to the side in case I want more. So I have also some gold yarn. This gold kind of real soft, probably like chenille type yarn, and it's gold. So another, I think it adds a nice, another color in there that I feel like is needed. So I'm going to put 3 of those. I'm going to load that up with some, see, that adds a lot of nice color in there. And then I have red rickrack here. I just didn't know if I wanted to add red. There is a tiny bit of red in the cover, so I might, and I really like the texture that rickrack gives a tassel, so I probably will add a little bit, a couple of those. This is a yarn that is, well, like an eyelash, but it also has little chunks on it too, and it's blue, so another nod to the blue in the cover. Let's do 3 of those. And yeah, this is going to be quite fluffy, I think, now that I'm looking at it. I almost didn't know if I had enough. I was like, you probably have enough, Sheree. Okay, so I have a lot of this baby rickrack. So I thought, let me just try, because I usually use the other rickrack in my tassels, the, standard size kind of rickrack, but since I have so much of this, and it is hard to glue down, because it's so small. It's hard to get the glue to not show, which you can do. It's not impossible, but it's a little tedious. So I thought, well, why not use it in a tassel? Some of it, at least. So I have quite a few of these cards with the baby rickrack. Okay, so I got 3 of those. I think that's going to be good. So, let's see. I think I will go with this to tie it off. I haven't used this green one yet. It's more of like a Kelly or a Christmas green. So let me get my notebook ring, and we'll do that next. See how fluffy she is. I'm sure it's going to be enough because, like I said, I want to overpower this little mini journal. Oh, look, it's looking beautiful already, just when I gathered it up. It's looking very beautiful. Okay, I'll put my notebook ring together. Okay, let me see if she's even. Oh, pretty good, pretty good. Okay, this one wants to stick out. Trying to get some attention there, aren't you? Okay, so let's put it down and get a strand for tying around the top. And I usually get a good sized strand here to tie around and have it dangle down. And I'm going to add probably some type of other charm on here. I haven't gotten it out yet, but in the flip through I'll show you. Stay tuned for the flip through. Probably tomorrow, I would think, will be a flip through. If tomorrow is not Thursday. I have a couple Thrifty Thursdays to do. And so if it was a Thursday, that will be a Thrifty Thursday. And on the 14th is Maria and I's collab that we do. So if tomorrow was the 14th, then it wouldn't be a flip through. It would be our collab. Okay, so yeah, this is looking good. Let's see, I guess I'm going to need to tie a knot to keep this together. It seems to want to be slipping off there. Kind of a smoother ribbon. Okay, so that. And then I think I have enough to go ahead and tie a bow. I can tie a bow and have the little charm. Let me look at it real quick. Yeah, I think I want to tie a bow. Okay. And then I'm going to add the charm, whatever it may be. I have some bells, like a big bell type. I have like a cowboy type, a cowbell type bell. I have, I think, some big snowflakes, which I think those are going to be too big. So maybe one of the big bells, like the cowbell, would be cute on this one. But I also have some little ornaments that I put in my craft supplies last year that I decided I wasn't going to put on my tree anymore. So I put them in my craft bins, Christmas bins here, so I could use them as little charms on tassels. So, okay, let me see if she needs to be trimmed at all. There's a little bit, see right here, a little bit of eyelash sticking down. Alright, so for today, we'll just put this on here, see how it looks, but I think it's plenty fluffy enough and lots of colors there that are going to go and look nice beside this little mini journal. And I think it's going to be the perfect length. So let's see. See, I already have the bells. And then this is going to go. Let me get these bells situated. They're a little tangled there. They're not totally tangled, they're just kind of wrapping around each other. Let's see, which way does this go? Okay, there we go. Alright, those are unraveled. And now this can go right here. My little bulb pin, put it on here. And then I just slip it into the eyelet I put here. And it hangs really nice right there. So it's removable in two ways. You can take it off with the bulb pen, or you can take it off with the notebook ring. I'm trying to get it turned around here. Wait a minute. I'm trying to get the bulb pin turned around so it's, there we go. I think is that how I want it? Yeah, there we go. So it hangs right. Okay. See, the bulb pin is upside down, so that big part of the bulb pin is at the top, and then the ring, the notebook ring, hangs right down into that small part. That's actually where the bulb pin clasps together. Okay, so here's what she looks like. Yep, I think those colors look really good. I'm glad I used that dark green. That looks really perfect with this. And then all the other colors, like the golds. Actually, I didn't think of this part right here as gold. but it actually makes this gold right here, makes this look like gold, which maybe it is, but it really makes it look like gold. And then you see the blue, all the blue in here. So yeah, I think it's just super cute. Alright, so I'm going to get the bundle of goodies that's coming along with this together, and then I'll be back with a flip through. Thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the tassel, and I'll see you next time.